Hello, welcome to another ADHD Customs. Today's video we're going to be doing this. We're going to be replacing my dash, or instrument cluster, with this one here. It's a different model car, it's a lot nicer than mine, plus my one, the temperature goes right up to here, and the fuel goes from where it was meant to be, and that rises at all, and I have to whack the top of the dash to get it to work. So today we're going to be doing that. So let's get started. First things first, you want to remove the centre of your steering wheel. Mine's an aftermarket one, so that comes up like that. That there is a 24mm bolt. Make sure your steering wheel is lined up perfectly. Mine is actually slightly off to the right anyway, so mine, I'm going to put mine slightly to the right, so when I put my steering wheel back on I can correct it, which I've been meaning to do for ages anyway. So 24mm thing, put a socket in there, and then you've got to hold the steering wheel while you do this. I'm going to do it with both hands, so bear with me. So steering wheel is off. Next it will be undoing a screw here and up here. Mine are actually missing. Oh no, I've got one, so I need to undo them and then pull this whole plastic panel out and up over these. Sometimes it's better to push these down while you do it, obviously not with the ignition on, like I did. There we have it, that's what it looks like with that out. Now I've got to undo a Phillips screw there, and a Phillips screw there, there and there, and it should lean forward and then come out, and then you unplug the bits and bobs. So I'll do that now. Okay, it's undone now. Problem I've got with this one is it's really hard to get it to come forward enough. You've got to try and get your hand behind it and release the accelerator cable. It tells the Speedo what speed you're doing. I can't seem to get this forward enough to do anything, and maybe I'll have to pull it out. Ah, there we go. There we go. I've just put my hazards on by mistake. Right, here we go. It should come out now. Oh, mine came straight off. That's the result. And my hazards are on. Right, that's what you do there, and then you unplug that, and it should be out. Okay, looking at these here, one thing I have just noticed is the new one has no bulbs in it. So let's see if I can get these bulbs out and put them in there, if they're the same. Bugger, hope they're the same. Okay, I've now had to take them apart. How you take this apart is, there's a screw in this little thing here, and there's a screw in there, and then you just got to pop off these three little tabs at the bottom, and then this lifts off. And you've got to get the bulbs from the inside here and twist them to get them out. That's what I'm going to have to do now. Okay, both of these ones have just crumbled as soon as I touched them. So that's going to be fun, isn't it? So I don't have any bulbs for my dash. Damn it. Bear with me to go see if I've got anything in the house. Luckily, I've just found 3 from that digital dash that I also got. So let's get this one down here, put it here, and then all I do is, hopefully these are all right, put that in there like so, and then twist. I'll use a pair of pliers to do it, and yes, here we go, all 3 are in. Right, now let's try and get this plugged into there, and then put my hand behind and try and get that Speedo cable there and clicked into there. Right, I now have the clocks in. The only problem is I have no display now, and the indicator light is on constantly, so yeah, I don't know what's going on there. So yeah, or they're plugged in, everything says it should indicate right, indicator flashes, indicate left, indicator doesn't flash, but they work. Hazards on, it flashes. Is that where they're meant to be from a different car? I don't know. Okay, engine started. Let's go see if the Speedo actually works. Yeah, Speedo works. Just took it for a test drive. Yes, the temperature's working, fuel gauge is working, the Speedo's working, rev counter's not working, but I knew that weren't going to work anyway because it's not digital, because it won't run on this engine. Forget the flashing lights. The only problem I've got now is I don't that's not coming on, although when I switch the headlights on it does brighten up and go dim, so I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not sure any of these lights at the top are actually working, and then bulbs I put in, and so yeah, so I've now got working temperature gauge and fuel thing read the right thing. That works, but now I've got no dash lights and no, well, it's basically just a clock in the old one, and I've got no sorry, I've got this light on constant. So yeah, so I fixed 2 important things, and now I've got a couple of niggly bits, but I'm done for the day anyway. Sod it, that'll do. That will do. So thanks for watching this really boring video on an instrument cluster on a B3 Passat. So yeah, oh well, I might just put a sticker over that bulb or something, because I ain't got a clue why it's doing that. Anyway, cheers for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And there should be another video coming out in a minute with me putting all the sides on my workshop, so check that out as well. So anyway, see you in the next one, peeps.